Okay, yesterday I learned a very important lesson in business. Well, I learned two important lessons. The first one was do not work for your friends if you want them to remain friends. Mind you, that's not fair, I shouldn't say that. We are going to still be friends. But the second one is always get a contract before you start coding. Agree to the scope of the project. Get it in writing, what you're going to do, when you're going to do it, and how much it's going to cost. The reason being, I've spent the last 3 weeks working on a management system for an estate agent's website, and it included a front-end search section. So I'm just showing you the basic functionality at the moment. It will be styled better than this, or it was going to be styled better than this. This is just the functionality. So you could search for different properties in different locations for sale, and we had a nice little Ajax powered search box that if you was looking for something to let, then this would change to the lower price range automatically. So that was quite a nice little tool there. We've not got it rigged up to the database yet, but that's just to check everything's working. So that was good. We got that going. Now the idea was the system allowed you to register a client, register a property, add an overview, then add more rooms and descriptions. So I'm just going to quickly take you through how it works. Register a client. Let's just say John Jones. Company not applicable. Let's say he's a normal customer. 23 Barrow Lane. Let's say I don't know where I get these things from. 5 AD 1 2 3 4 4 9 7 8. Email me at me.com and notes. Maybe he's in the office Monday to Thursday till 5 PM, something like that. Anyway, so you can register a client. Okay, there we go. So he's registered. Once you register a client, you're then able to register a property, and this is the property that the client wanted to sell. So you can choose a client, and there he is. We can find him there. And the house he might be wanting to sell. I'm just getting information from another website just to populate the database. So let's just say it was number 2, Thornham Drive. Let's say it's in Bolton. BL1 3QP. Area was Heaton. Oh no, where is it? Sharples. And the good thing about the search tool that I just shown you is it automatically adds new areas as well. So if I add a new area here, then that will automatically become available in the drop-down box. That was 229,950. Rent is 0 because it's not for rent, and it is a 4-bedroom house. The description of this is, just bear with me a second. It's a detached family home. Blah de blah de blah. Control. Oh, hang on a second. Bear with me a second. I'm working on 2 monitors here, so copy that. I'll paste that into there. And notes. Maybe pick up keys on Tuesday. Must do photos. Maybe something like that. And you can register the property like that. So that's been registered successfully. And now what we can do is we can upload an image. I'm going to save this image first so I can then upload it. What are we on? 234, 235. Okay. I'm going to upload an image. Sorry, that was empty, wasn't it? Oh, what a nightmare. Right, okay. Choose file first. And we're looking at 235. Open that. Upload. There we go. Okay, so now I've added a property. I've registered a client. I've added a property. I've added an image, and now I can add some bullet points to the property. Now, this is the next section. Oh, we've got a double entry there. Right, there we go. So that's something else that needs sorting out. So point 1 on this one is it's a ideal family home, detached house, 4 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, modern kitchen. Oops, a daisy. So there we go. And this is 5. It has got a superb garden, and it has a lovely outlook to the rear, and we can submit that. Okay, that's fine. And then we can add rooms and descriptions for each property. Okay, not that one. That one. I'll have to get rid of that first one. That was because yeah. Okay, so that's one thing to sort out anyway. Right, okay, let's have a look at more features. Now, we've already got the description, the main bullets, and this is how you add rooms and descriptions and images for those descriptions. If you can hear somebody in the background, that's my assistant Tom. I am a freelance developer and I work from home, and sometimes I have little helpers in the background. Right, so we don't have an image for this, but you can upload a blank image, so we need to choose the awaiting photo file. That's where I made a mistake last time. Okay, next one is the lounge dining area. I'm just copying and pasting this off my other monitor, so bear with me. Okay, there we go. Lounge dining area. And the reason I'm doing this is because the client pulled out, it was already 80% finished anyway, so I thought I may as well continue developing it and maybe either give it away free through my website, or maybe even sell it on to somebody else who might be interested. So if you're watching this and you think you could really do with an estate agent's management tool and you like the look of this, then drop me an email, damien@xtn.cc, and I'll see what I can do. There we go. So that's sorted out there. Lounge, kitchen. Let's just have a look at this. Control copy, control paste that. And then we got description there. Okay, and then this image here, and we're up to number 237. Okay, choose the file 237, open, and then we can upload that as well. Shouldn't be a problem there, and so on. You can do this for all of them. Got a utility room there. So at the moment I'm just busy trying to populate the database so that when I link the search tool to the database, I've got some information to query, and I can test the functionality, make sure it's all working. So the next steps for the development are, as I said, I am going to finish off the styling, and I'm going to add a little bit more functionality with the search tool and things like that. So it needs probably maybe about another 10 hours on it. I've come so far, it's a shame not to finish it off. So I'll be finishing this off, but if you like what you see and you're interested in this type of development, then drop me an email, Damien, DAMIAN, @xtn.cc, and there we go. So yeah, so as you can see, I mean, it's just the basic functionality at the moment. Finished adding. We can select another property if we want. There you go. That's one that I did earlier. I don't know if this is going to work. Let's have a look at this one. There we go. That's one that I did yesterday as well. So what we're looking at here is actually the back end. So finished adding features, back to the main. So I can search for a property. And let's have a look. There we go, Sharples heating. So yeah, so that's basically it. I will be doing more. Obviously, this will be a nice menu system, and the front end will look a lot nicer than that. But the main functionality is there, and it's pretty good. So just wanted to share that with you guys. And if you're interested, drop me a line.